Today is lecture number 24 and the topic is types of foreign policy. Types of foreign policy. There are some points. These are the types of foreign policy. Number 1, isolationism or neutrality. Number 2, diplomacy. Number 3, collective security. Number 4, imperialism. So we will discuss them one by one. So the number 1 point is isolationism or neutrality. Basically, neutralism means that is in between, not in favor of anyone, but it remains neutral. The types of foreign policy we are I'm telling you, like some countries gain the status of neutral. They do not favor any other countries like the enemy of them or the alliance of them, but they remain neutral or isolationism, just for the sake of fulfilling the requirements of foreign policy and showing some diplomatic behavior. So number 1, the isolationism or neutrality means not taking part in wars between other nations. For example, if there would be a war between two countries, such countries do not take part in wars between other nations. They do not even become the part of alliance or supporter or any other thing, but they again remain neutral. So the second point is diplomacy. Diplomacy means carrying out negotiations with other nations peacefully. It means for example, India and Pakistan has some clashes over Kashmir issue or any other issue, or some other clashes between any other two countries, and they try to carry out the negotiation. They try to use the tools of dialogues between them so that the matter would be resolved peacefully, rather than going on nuclear weapons or any other thing else, any other power. But in this era of peaceful in this era, dialogues and talks between them, meetings, negotiations are a best way to resolve the issues. Then come collective security. It means groups of countries work together against any nation that threatens their peace or security. Then comes imperialism, creating an empire by dominating the nations around you. So many different groups of countries work together against any nation that threatens their peace or security. It is basically the most major part of United Nations Charter is based on human rights, basically, and the one thing that upon which all the countries agree or sign an agreement that first of all, if there is any clash or any controversy between any two countries, so they will try to solve the issue through dialogues or negotiation, so that they, rather than using any other unfair power or nuclear power or weapon. So if any group of countries work together against any nation that threatens their peace or security. Then comes imperialism, creating an empire by dominating the nations around you.